Hi students, MCQ number 8. In a steady state, the temperature at end A and B of a 20 centimeter long rod AB are 100 degrees Celsius and 0 degrees Celsius. The temperature of a 0.9 centimeter from end A has to be determined. Now this is end A at which the temperature is 100 degrees Celsius, and this is end B at which the temperature is 0 degree Celsius. Now at 9 centimeter from end A there is another point C. What is the temperature? So the temperature at C, let it be theta degree Celsius. Very interesting numerical problem. Now the clue here is at steady state. So at steady state, the rate of flow of heat is constant. So I can write delta Q divided by delta T. This must be equal to constant between any 2 points. Either the points are A to B or A to C or C to B. So the rate of flow of heat is a constant, or the thermal conductivity K into area A into difference in temperature delta T divided by L is equal to a constant. Okay? Since the material is the same now, K and the area of cross section will be the same at all points. Therefore, I can also write delta T divided by L. This fraction must be a constant between any 2 points. Okay? So first we will take from A to B. So delta T divided by L from the point A to B must also be equal to delta T by L from the point A to C. So I can write A to C. Now what is the difference in temperature between A and B has to be substituted in the numerator. So it is 100 minus 0. So 100 minus 0 divided by the corresponding length is 20 centimeter, and this must be equal to the difference in temperature between A and C is what? A to C, 100 minus theta. So this must be equal to 100 minus theta divided by the length AC is how much? 9 centimeter. So 100 minus 0 is 100, 100 by 20, 100 by 20 is 5. So 5 is equal to 100 minus theta divided by 9. So 9 5s are 45. So 45 is equal to 100 minus theta. Now we have to find the value of theta. So minus theta is shifted to the left hand side. Therefore theta is equal to 100 minus 45, or theta is equal to 55 degree Celsius is the correct answer. So which is the correct option? See, option B. So 55 degree Celsius. Therefore option B is the correct answer. Okay, I hope you must have understood well. Fine.